Hey everyone, Dev here. What if you can make viral monetizable shorts like quiz shorts, AI story shorts, viral AI history videos, fake text videos, and many more like these big and successful channels in just one click using one of the best AI tool in the market right now? Before starting, take a look at a sample video of what this tool is capable of.
Have you ever wondered how cats earned their royal status in ancient Egypt? Originating from wild African ancestors over 4,000 years ago, cats were domesticated in ancient Egypt for their prowess in hunting and protecting food stores from pests. Cats were revered as sacred animals, symbolizing protection, fertility, and
the name of the tool is VSub. This was just one feature of this tool can make way more amazing videos for multiple niches. Normally it takes a lot of time, expertise and tools to make a video that can go viral. But with the help of Visa, you can do it in seconds. Let me show you how. After opening VSub, simply click on Login and log in with your Google account. It's that simple. Now you will land on this interface. Check out the features first. VSub can generate auto captions for you. You can also create Reddit story videos and would you rather videos, AI videos for any niche like the ones I teach, fake text videos and in the end quiz videos. Let's start with would you rather videos. Now currently only YouTube Shorts mode is available, but the standard mode is coming soon, which will enable you to make long videos and earn big money. So now simply click on settings and from here you can select 11 Labs Premium Voiceover for your video. There is a list of all the voices. You can simply choose the one you like. Then simply click on questions and then click on generate questions and it will automatically start generating content for you. It will take a few seconds and when the questions are ready, simply click on continue and your video creation will start automatically. And here our video is also ready. Now you can simply add a copyright-free background music from here as well. Just click on the music you want to use and reduce the volume from here. Then simply click here to download it. I will play it for 10 seconds so you can see the results.
Or drink a glass of expired milk. Give up social media or give up streaming services. Live without electricity or live without running water.
Guys, I literally have no words. Now let's head to the main feature AI video. Now after you come on this page, you can select the language from here. Then guys, here's the best part. You can literally choose image style for you. No need to worry anymore about the image quality. You can simply choose a style from here and it will make all the images similar with consistent characters. And to tell you these two image styles are going viral on YouTube lately. I myself use this cartoon style for my shorts channel, so I will simply select this one. Now when you scroll down here, you will have this box to paste your script. That's the best part. You can provide your own script no matter in which niche you are. So we will just go to ChatGPT. I will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me a wisdom-based short story in a single paragraph used only in simple and easy English words, avoiding complex and difficult language and make it engaging so that the viewer remains hooked till the end. Now I will simply generate my story and here we have the story. Now instead of wisdom-based story, you can write your own niche here like history-based story, war-based story, sci-fi story and so on. I will simply copy and paste it here. That's it. Now you see the settings option. Click on it and then simply select your voiceover. From here I will choose Adam's voice. Then you can either make a short video or a long video for your channel. Then simply click on transcript. And then simply click on continue and it will simply start making your video. It will take a few seconds and when the video is ready, you can simply select a copyright-free background music for your video from here. And when everything is done, simply click on download and download your video. Let's see it.
Once upon a time in a small village, there was a wise old man named Sam. People from near and far came to seek his advice. One day, a young man visited Sam, complaining about his life. "Everything goes wrong for me. I'm always unlucky," he said. Sam smiled and handed the young man a small, heavy bag of stones. "Carry this bag for a week."
Now let's head to the next feature, fake text message story. You will shortly understand how amazing and engaging this feature is. Here you can choose the background template. It's basically fake funny conversation between two persons. Now I will simply go to ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT to provide me a very funny and humorous fake text message story between two persons. In total, 12 sentences. And you will have the story. Now here we have total 12 sentences. So we will come back and simply click on Add Write. then we will add left, then again right, then again left. Keep adding until total 12 blocks are ready. Now I will simply head back to ChatGPT and copy up first sentence and paste it here. Then I will simply go back and select the second sentence, and then paste in the second line and repeat the same process until all boxes are filled. Then just go to settings and select the voiceovers. Now you can see there are two options for voiceover, one for left person and one for right person. We will first select the right person's voice, and then left person's voice, and that's it. Ignore this Riz one. Then simply come back and don't forget to turn these options on and then click on continue, and that's it. Just like before, it will take a few seconds, and when the video is ready, simply add the background music and then simply download it. Let's watch it. Hey, guess what? I just found out I'm part alien. Really? That explains why you never finish your fries. Aliens don't like potatoes? No, they just prefer space fries. They're out of this world. Speaking of out of this world, did you finally ask your crush out? Yeah, but I think they might. Awesome, isn't it, guys? Now let's check out the final feature, quiz question videos. There are literally hundreds of videos on how to make quiz videos, but all of them use very difficult method to make quiz videos, which is very time consuming. But in VSub it's matter of a click. Now you have two options. You can select standard template or multi-level template. For now, I will select standard. Now simply click on generate questions. Now you can select what type of quiz you want to make, like history, geography, or whatever. Then click on OK and it will automatically do everything for you. Then simply click on continue and your video will be ready in the matter of the seconds. Let's watch the final results.
When was the Declaration of Independence signed? A. 1776. Who was the first president of the United States? C.
Transitions are very difficult to make if you do it by yourself. If you want to invest some money on your YouTube channel, this AI tool is probably the best. It offers 3 packages, as you can see, where with Starter Plan you can make 20 videos per month. With Pro Plan you can make 40 videos per month, and with Premium Plan you can make 100 videos per month, which is more than enough to run up though for YouTube channels. And besides everything, they offer a lifetime plan where you need to pay only $490 for just once, and you can keep making videos without ever paying again. But they are providing this offer to 100 members only. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Have a good day.